Hello folks, welcome back. I'm the F in Z&F Railways, and the Z is in Lanzarote, so unfortunately he's not going to be coming with us for this video. Instead, I've got my father. Now, you may be wondering, what the hell are we doing in this video? Well, we're going to Bo'ness and Kinneil, again. But this time, it's the steam gala. So they have freight trains, traction engines, a visiting IVIT, a model railway apparently. Yeah, hopefully we film some trains, we ride on some trains, and we look at some traction engines. And we eat something eventually. Don't know when that will be, but oh well. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for the support and just the amount of views we got on our last video. Something like 60,000, and that's just... Never thought that would happen when I started this channel 4 years ago. But yes, let's be off ski then, and I shall see you when I'm there. Here we are, we're going to film the freight train coming past. I'm extremely nervous for no apparent reason, I don't know why. Like I've got butterflies in my stomach. I don't know if I'll do it right here, I might go up a bit. But either way, I don't know why, I'm quite scared. Yeah. So the train was supposed to arrive at the station now, the station ahead. It hasn't shown. So, me and another spotter thought that it must have been cancelled or delayed, and I want to catch the next train from Bo'ness, so we're just going to abandon this and hope that things improve from here, let's say. I'll keep you informed if that changes. Oh, thank God for that. I was quite literally in the car. We were literally about to leave, and I see the red buffer beam in the distance, and I jump out of the car. I literally jumped out of the moving car. Oh, that was quite something. Okay, I really need to get going now. They released a mod from the prison shed. I've always loved a North British 060. Lovely. There's a tad bit of steam. Just a wee bit. I've got so many cinders in my eyes.
You're going on the next service?
Aye, the Ivor and the standard for again.
We're watching it depart.
Well, I'll give you a wave.
Slip probably.
Aye, track's slippy.
Are we? Yeah, it's because it was really raining last night. Should I try and get a photo at the Bo'ness signal box? I was up at 2 o'clock. I was so excited. I was up at 2 o'clock. I was up at 5 to 6. Thinking it was 7 o'clock. I was up at 2 o'clock in the morning.
I woke up at 5.
I woke up at 6.
Right, now we're on a train. We were on a train before, but now we're on a different train. And I kind of forgot it's my job to vlog this. And so I've been filming things but not really saying anything. So I'm going to try and say things more. Good luck. Just God save all of you for listening to me. Top and tailing. Oh, okay. The standard 4 is going to couple up now. Yeah, it's a good bar. Ow, bastard. I've got a board in my hand. the standard Ford just had a spad. They forgot about the freight train that's coming towards them. Well, folks, that was the Bo'ness and Kinneil Steam Gala. I very much enjoyed myself, for one. I apologise this wasn't much of a vlog. I kept forgetting that I needed to speak. Zack normally does that. So, yeah. I had a great time. Thank you to all the volunteers and everyone that was a part of putting that together. Great experience. And, yeah. Also, thank you all. But I literally learned like 5 minutes ago that the channel reached 800 subscribers. That's just mind-boggling. I know this video is probably not going to do even a fraction of how well the last one did, but yeah. Next time we'll get Zack to join, and he'll probably boost the view count by his mere presence. But we're not finished. I still have to review stuff that I bought. Right, so this is what I bought. So I got a Mark 1 brake in Blood and Custard, which the ends are quite good. I'm not sure how well that'll pick up on camera, but the doors are brown and yeah, very nice. And I also got a brown mineral wagon. The seller was very nice. I quite liked him. It's this is the packet he gave me. I don't know if that's the actual shop name, but if it is, everyone go buy something from him. All the rolling stock look really good, and I really wanted more, but I only had £30 on me. And I was also going to buy a painting of a Patriot, I think it was, either that or a Royal Scot, and that was £5. I was gonna buy it, but when I went into the shop, someone had just bought it. So if you bought that, fuck yeah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, fair play. This was £18 and this was £7, which I think is pretty good. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So folks, again, thank you for watching. And Zack, wish he came, but he's probably going to edit this. So yeah. Also, if you want to see just like me not yap for a couple hours and just want to watch me, just want to watch videos of trains, and if you're not just into trains and you're into stuff like history, I've started up a second channel. It's called Caledonian Railway 903, and there I do videos about, I do shorts about the things I own in my house, like for example this British Railways headlamp, or my most recent video was about, this 1934 Royal Artillery dress uniform cap. So if you're into history just in general and not just trains, go subscribe to that. And yeah, thank you all. Have a good night.